Hello there and welcome to the Sourced Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Ash and I will be your host for this video. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future content, and feel free to check out all previous videos that we have on this channel via the links in the description down below. In this video we will be looking at this machine right here, the Jura WE8. This is a cost-effective, reliable, entry-level fresh bean and fresh milk machine, ideal for up to 50 12-ounce cups per day, and featuring 12 drink options, including hot water for tea and a shot of hot milk for adding hot chocolate as well. It's a small footprint machine requiring only two 13-amp plugs and comes with a 1-litre milk cooler and 3-litre water tank. The Jura WE8 is a great option for an easy setup, manual fill only, plug and play machine, which is very easy to clean by the on-screen instructions. Our package also includes a 12-month parts and label warranty and a separate cup warmer and care package as well. Now if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Sourced Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.